Welcome, in front of me I have Motorola Edge 20 and I will show you 5 really cool and useful tips. So the first one, we can easily extend our RAM memory. So take a look, we have to go for the settings, then we have to find system, click on performance and find ROM Boost. As you can see right now, when you turn on this option, we will use our phone storage to extend RAM memory and improve overall performance. So when you tap on the switcher, right now we have to restart our device, so that's what we are going to do right now. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, and right now we can open our device. Take a look right now. When we are going to check our RAM memory, it's extended to 10 gigabytes of the RAM memory. So that's very cool that we can improve performance on our device. The next option we can find also in the system settings, and we'll find them in the gestures and displays. So we can quickly open our flashlight. We have to tap here, tap on the switcher, grab your phone, take a look, currently is turned off, and when you chop like that, we can quickly open our flashlight even when the screen is turned off. Take a look. So that's great, very nice gesture from the Motorola company, and I think that you are going to use it because it's very cool. And the next option that we can find is the quick open the camera. We will find it in this place, also in the gestures, but it's synchronized with power key. So right now when you quickly double press power key, oh, I just make it too slow. As you can see, we can quickly open the camera. So that's also a very great and useful option. And the last option that we can find also in the gestures is that we can double tap on the power key to get the quick shortcuts. Take a look. It's here, power touch. Enable this option and take a look right now. We can open this floating menu and we can quickly open one of the application. So for example, Google Maps, calculator, YouTube, clock, whatever you want. You can also change these apps. You can link here the tools. You can back to home, recent calls, switch to the last app. You can also go for the contacts. Let's pick, for example, this option. Let's remove calculator and add this one. And take a look. There it is. So as you can see, it works really nice. And we can also find another option. There is called the dual capture. So basically, when you open our camera, then click right here and go for the dual capture, we can find very cool and useful option. We can record video at the same time from the front and the rear camera. We can also change the size of these cameras. So we can hit, for example, this kind of the video. Let's finish and let's take a look how it looks. There it is. Yep. So I think that's all. There's my 5 favorite tips with Motorola Edge 20. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.